Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. Before we get into it, let's give this video a thumbs up. If you're new around here, you already know what to do. So AMC, we sitting at $11.93 at time of this recording, guys. Up over 15% on today. We seen a nice little comeback, guys. Still nothing to talk about until we have that 150% day, guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at it because this thing is ready to ride. Like I told you guys, I will be the first to let you know if you're chasing, if it's not a good time to buy, and I also will be the first to let you know when it is an amazing time to buy. And like I told you guys, AMC was in that buy zone. It done came all the way back down, rerouted to where we was at the lows of last year when this thing first started getting heated up. And you best believe people definitely wanted those cheap shares, guys. It's been a lot of fear out there, a lot of uncertainty. No one still knows exactly where the bottom at for AMC is, but all we do know is you want to take full advantage of these cheap shares, guys. Don't over leverage yourself. Don't get, too much invested in that you're not able to lose, because that's when your emotion starts to be involved in the play and you don't see the play throughout clearly because you got too much money at stake and you can't really afford to lose it. So you're not playing out the conviction and what's bound to happen. You playing off of fear. So make sure you get your eggs lined up, guys, and don't be all over the place. But AMC is ready, guys. Also, we want to share the news that we know Apple is no longer the world's most valuable company. Since yesterday, after the oil giant Saudi Aramco is now the world's most valuable company, guys. It surpassed Apple on Wednesday. I feel like that was, Apple being at top of his game for a while. I do believe it will get back though, but that's just that. We know over more than $7 trillion has been wiped out from the stock market this year. The stock market has seen some crazy, a bearish moment for the market, guys. Bearish moment, crazy downtrend, crazy things that's happening in the economy, inflation through the roof, interest rates steady spiking, Biden, the war, COVID. We still have a lot of stuff that's going on. But even with all that's going on, guys, I told you guys, the market will still have a reaction of its own and still do, have a reversal during all of this that's going on. Like I say, guys, if things were so bad, if things were so rough, we won't be getting any green in these markets, especially not no big green days. So guys, we see exactly what's going on. Like I told you guys, pressure gonna always bust pipes, regardless of how manipulated something is, regardless of what their narrative is to drive prices down and stocks down, regardless of all that. Once that buying pressure continue to come in, and this massive buying pressure is going to bust those pipes every time, and we're going to see a crazy run back up. And as well as AMC, guys, I've been mentioning, letting you guys know, every time we come down, they drag us down. It takes months and months and months and months and months to get us down to these little petty levels. As soon as we get down to these levels, how long it takes for us to pop? A matter of days, a matter of week, a matter of a week or two, we'll pop and already be back, halfway towards our all-time high, guys. And like I told you guys, if AMC can stop being manipulated and stop being held back from its potential, you see how GME is moving $30, $40, $50 whenever it pull back and spike back up. It's having these big swings. It's having one swing of GME is the whole entire price of AMC and more. Make it make sense. You get what I'm saying, guys? AMC supposedly be having $20, $30, $40 swings at this time as well. GME should be having $100 swings, $100, $150, $80, $90 swings. So times is coming, guys. We just got to get through. You already know what we got to get through, guys. It's getting crazy. So we know short interest in AMC and GME is still through the roof, guys. Short interest in AMC is at 19.5%. GameStop short interest at 21.4%, guys. Stocks cut losses as NASDAQ turn positive as market attempts to come back from sell-off. So the market attempts to come back, guys, we know that. Like I told you guys previously, we could come back with all this uncertainty still going on, the market is still able to come back. With inflation still being high, interest rates, all that stuff, the market is still able to come back. It's been hammered down and hit down so long. Investors, smart money, they don't care too much of what information is coming out at this point. The price action is speaking for itself. It's buy now or get left. You know, easy money to be made right now in the markets at these prices, guys. Besides the point of if you lost money or not, I'm not speaking on that. I'm speaking on new money to be made. You can't dwell in the past. Oh, I'm down. I lost this. I lost that. Oh, I'm down. You can't dwell in the past and cry about BS. You got to suck it up, toughen up, pay your market tuition, look straight ahead, and look for new opportunity to capitalize off of and build that bag, guys. Because the past is gone. It's a whole new day. You got to make some new money. So, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at this as well. We know it was some weird activity going on because today could have been one of them days, and the day's still not over yet. But what I mean by could have been one of them days is whenever we see a pop like this, all of a sudden, usually that pop, a big pop, a convincing pop. Today was a convincing pop. And so a lot of people say, oh, it's just a bull trap, this, that, and third. Yes, it could be. We know this is the buy zone, though. So whatever it do from here, we here for the ride. We know at this point, we is bound to pop up the way we did. So with that being said, guys, the pop on today has been, you know, just as we did at 33.34 when AMC ran up, what they do, they halted it. And once they halt the stock, they basically stopping a lot of buying pressure from coming in to go ahead and continue to further run that stock price up. They halted in order to slow it down, kill momentum, kill the vibes of the stock. And once they slow things down, that could then translate into some selling pressure. And for people, you know, less demand on the buying side, which will cause the stock to start to come down and fall in price action. That's exactly what we seen at 33.34 when AMC ran up. We could have possibly ran back to the all-time highs from there because that was a crazy pop from 13, 33, 34 in a matter of days, and then get halted and then get, you know, dropped right back down. That's insane, guys. Exactly what happened to us on today. The same thing. They'll try and do this because they know the potential that we have, guys, and they know exactly how strong this community is. So let's go ahead and take a look at this, guys. AMC was up over 15% at $11.93. It ran as high as $13.70 from a low of $9.70. I told you guys, once it broke 12.05, it was coming down clearly to around $9.50, $9.40, right around that area. $9.70, that's just as close, guys. So that gap was closed. Not saying that, you know, it's over anything, just putting the facts out there. So we popped from $9.70 to $13.70, and we could have went much higher. But if you pay attention to GameStop, one of the leaders of the whole operation that helped drag the other meme stocks as well, and also the overall market, because we know these things is running along with the overall market as of now. GameStop opened at 83, hit a high of $108. That's a $28, $30 pop. Once it went up and popped the way it did, they halted GameStop. GameStop shares jumped more than 20% in odd trading. AMC shares also popped. GameStop jumped more than 20% and was halted for volatility multiple times. They halted GameStop multiple times, not just once, not just twice, multiple times, because they know exactly what's going to happen if they don't do these little BS halts. They know this thing is going to soar. It's going to continue to run, guys. So you already know, guys, like I say, continue to thug it out because this thing is destined for a win. You already know what to do. Add me on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. I love y'all. You're out, and God bless you. We go.